Here I have REALME Narzo 10, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So firstly, you'll have to open Settings, then go to the Additional Settings, and then to the date and time. And here you can change your date and time settings. To set up date and time manually, you have to first disable this feature, network provided time. Here you can select your time zone. Here you can set up your date. Here you can set up your time. You can also change your time format from 24-hour to 12-hour. You can also home screen world clock. And you can also disable dual clock to display the time of your current location and your usual residence. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.